Shangumugham Beach, famous for its iconic 100-foot-long Jalakanyaka or mermaid statue, is now calling for a new attraction. The Russian-made Mi-8 twin-turbine helicopter installed at the Mermaid Park is catching tourist attention. Under the aegis of Southern Air Command, this chopper has been placed at the park as gesture to attract youngsters to join Indian Air Force. This Russian-made Mi-8 entered India in 1971. It was formally inducted the next year. Between then and 1988, the Air Force inducted 107 of them, operating them across 10 helicopter units and used them in various operations for 45 years. The Mi-8 operated in several major IAF operations, including the Operation Meghdut in Siachen Glacier and Operation Pavan in Sri Lanka. The helicopter also operated extensively in humanitarian, rescue and disaster relief operations across the length and breadth of the country, including the devastating Chennai floods of 2015. Mi-8 has also been associated with VIP or VVIP flying for over decades. A controversy has erupted over this helicopter installation near the iconic mermaid statue made by artist Kanai Kunyuraman. Critics slammed the move as an insult to the mermaid statue, with even the artist calling the government insensitive. The installation was done by the State Tourism Department a few months ago. The administration said that the spot was picked by the Indian Air Force to attract recruits. However, for visitors, simply getting a view of this giant helicopter on ground is truly mesmerizing. Standing near this historic chopper, which served our nation for 45 years, is indeed a proud moment. This weekend, plan your visit and let us know your feedback. Thank you.